Hello, very good evening. I am Mrs. Malati, advocate for Safeguarding Minors Center for Child Protection, Pontifical Gregorian University, Rome, Italy. Now, I would like to speak the topic about risk and protective factors and how to protect it. Risk factors or characteristics at the biological, psychological, family, community, or cultural level that precede and are associated with a higher likelihood of negative outcomes or that reduce a risk factor's impact. Protective factors are characteristics associated with a lower likelihood of negative outcomes or that reduce a risk factor's impact. Risk and protective factors can affect children at different stages of their lives. At each stage, risks occur that can be changed through prevention intervention. Early childhood risks such as aggressive behavior can be changed or prevented with family, school, and community. Interventions that focus on helping children develop appropriate positive behavior, if not addressed, negative behavior can lead to more risks such as academic failure and social difficulties, which put children at further risk for later drug abuse. Risk and resilience in the presenting case, her risk factors includes poor parental supervision, prohibition from school, lack of adequate social support. Protective factors to promote well-being. Protective factors or conditions or attributes in individuals, families, communities, or the larger society that mitigate or eliminate risk, thereby increasing the health and well-being of children and families. Protective factors help parents to find resources, supports, or coping strategies that allow them to parent effectively even under stress. Essentials for childhood: creating safe, stable, nurturing relationships and environments, centers for disease control and prevention, integrates protection factors and positive youth development frameworks to support states and communities in supporting children and youth. Presents information from a review of current research linking protective factors to well-being of the children and youth. Risk factor examples, if you can see, there are many possible risk factors. The extent to which they have an influence on crime or victimization will depend on the particular situation. Negative attitudes, values, or beliefs, low self-esteem, poverty, children of parents in conflict with the law, homelessness, presence of neighborhood crime, lack of positive role models, unemployment, family distress. Protective factor examples: strengthening families, nurturing and attachment. Healthy parent and child relationships are when and where children receive the love and respect that they need each day. Knowledge of parenting and child development. Families need to know and understand that part of being a great parent is a natural instinct, but part of it can be learned. Parental resilience. Families who are strong and flexible are better able to deal with the many stresses of everyday parenting and life. Social connections. All families need a network of trusted people. We all need good friends. Many children who grew up in similar families and circumstances to the fiction's teen outline above are able to overcome the weight of the risk factors and are resilient, finding the resources and support they need to assist to cope when they are under stress. Recommends exploring programs in your community that can assist with ways to strengthen your family. Reach out to agencies and schools in your community that can help address your particular family and child concerns. Be advocate for your children and for yourself. Take care of yourself. pay attention to your physical and mental health. So you are strong to your enough to care for the children to your life. Strong families look for, ask for, and follow through with finding resources and people who can help to support them and make them stronger. With this, once again, I thank you very much for giving me this auspicious opportunity, and I wish to express my profound gratitude to Mr. Keshwar sir who supported me to take this video. Thank you one and all.